What's up, guys? You know, there's our first food review. Yeah. Let's just find a place to put you guys. That's risky, but it worked. Okay. All right. So yeah, you know, we just got our chicken sandwiches from Popeyes. Yeah, look, it looks really good.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've tried Chick-fil-A, but we're gonna try Chick-fil-A soon, and then we'll pick the winner at the end of the Chick-fil-A video to tell you guys which one is the better sandwich. So she got the mild because she's a little pussy, and I got the spicy because it's badass.
What if it's like, shut the fuck up?
All right, and she got mashed potatoes, and I got fries, which we share.
He got mashed potatoes for me.
Because she loves mashed potatoes. All right, so Ashley has a little bit of confirmation bias because she already, Chick-fil-A is already better.
Yeah, because
and when you have
that's true. Based on this chicken sandwich, there's only mayonnaise, and at the bottom,
Picos.
Yeah,
Pickles.
only pickles. That's it. It's like, seriously?
But like, she's already, like, she has in her mindset Chick-fil-A is better, so obviously she's gonna think Chick-fil-A is better.
There's more stuff to this, and it's like, look how much mayonnaise that is.
Hey, there's really only one way to find out.
Okay.
You know that? All right, guys. So here comes our bites. You ready, babe?
Okay.
All right, go. Okay. Wow, that's weird. It's really good. Like, it tastes like an average chicken sandwich. Just once the crispiness hits, that shit hits different. It never stops being crispy, even till like the 8th bite. I'm still crispy. What do you think, baby?
I agree. It's not bad. It's actually good.
I like it a lot.
Yeah. I just wish there was more stuff to it.
Right now, this is what I do. For the chicken, give me Chick-fil-A bread and everything else but the chicken, and just insert Popeyes chicken.
I feel like this one's more crispier than
Chick-fil-A.
It's not bad. I actually like it. The chicken, I'm not gonna lie,
It's pretty big. It's big too.
Mine's juicy.
It's juicy as fuck.
I thought it was gonna be dry.
Yeah? Wow, that's actually really good.
You can't even see yourself.
Go fine.
My bad.
Okay, whatever, baby.
I'll take this one.
Go for it. Oh, it's actually really good. I'm not gonna lie. Should I post this on YouTube? I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
No.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. That's so good.
I like the chicken. I honestly thought it was just like the regular chicken that they serve.
I thought they just put like a chicken breast. Alright, here's a chicken sandwich. Slap 2 breads on it. Here's a chicken sandwich. Put a pickle. Like, the crispy bits are crazy. I swear, the more I'm starting to eat it, the more I like it.
I haven't gotten to the pickles yet.
Oh, the pickle. I love pickles. I don't know if you like pickles.
Mhm.
You haven't got a pickle yet? Or...
It's all in the back. I think the people just that make it don't care. The one in.
They were in a rush.
Well,
There was like 4 girls. That's it. God damn, it's shit good. My dad said, "Y'all are really getting Popeyes for breakfast?" I said, "Yeah."
he called me saying, "You wanna get breakfast with me?" Or no, he said, "Would you like to?" No, we were like, he was like, "But it's not a normal breakfast." I'm like, "What the hell we gonna eat then?" Like, we're gonna try the Popeyes Chicken Sandwich. I was like, okay.
It did not disappoint me.
Mm.
It's juicy. Why is it so juicy?
I just wish that.
Popeyes made regular chicken like this.
No, but like, oh, I finally got a pickle.
How is it?
I just wish that the chicken, like the crust, if that's what you call it. No, the skin
Goofy.
was like a little more, not thinner, but
Less of it and more chicken.
no. I feel like the chicken itself is a lot bigger than the sandwich. Like the bread.
That makes it look really appetizing.
Okay, but you know me.
Oh yeah. If it's not uniform, she won't eat it.
I mean, you know. Wow, but I'm gonna give Popeyes some props.
Yeah, they smack. You know, I wish Chick-fil-A was open so we could go.
I know, because I already forgot what Chick-fil-A tastes like.
I know. I just know it's good.
I think that it's not this crunchy.
No,
No, right?
definitely not. But the stuff they add on it is really good.
And the time I was eating it that day, mine was like greasy.
You know what's low-key gonna be the factor? I feel like the bread, because this bread's actually really good. Like a brioche munch.
Is that what it's called for you?
Yeah. A lot of butter to make this bun. It was way worth it. Holy fuck. And the line wasn't even big. That's why I was like contemplating. I was like, is this like, are the chicken sandwiches out? Because like the line didn't wrap around how it used to. But it was in the morning. So I was like, I think they have them out. But it was actually very good. I like the sandwich more than the regular fried chicken they serve. Yeah.
Like I said, the chicken's usually dry sometimes. I love Popeyes, but sometimes it's dry.
Like, look, you see that big ass piece of chicken? You'll think it's dry. Hell no.
I still can't believe they ran out. It still didn't add up.
No, I like it a lot.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
On a scale of 1 to 10, can we use decimals? No? Just a 9. You want to look?
You stole my number.
9?
Mine was either 9 or 8.
Or 8.5. I got 9. Alright, so that concludes it to 17.5. And we'll make the Chick-fil-A video in 2 weeks. And we'll see which one scores higher. See you guys.